Welcome to King Cole. This is Susan and this is my colleague Joanne.
Hi.
Hi.
We're here today to introduce to you Truffle Yarn, which is our new fancy yarn. We're doing 6 new colours. It's 100% polyamide. The balls are 100 grams and the meterage is 180 metres or 196 yards approximately. And now for this one, it's a bit of an unusual one. So we've done 2 tension squares on it. So with 4mm needles, you should get 18 stitches and 28 rows. And with 5mm needles, you should get 15 stitches and 21 rows. So a little bit unusual. And we've included in with this, some in the design, some of the merino DK.
Complements it well, look.
Yep. And also the merino Aran. So there are 2 different weights going in with these. So that's just something to watch out for.
Yeah, hence the 2 needle sizes.
Yeah. So it's a 30-degree cool wash for this one, but you can dry clean it as well. You can't tumble dry it, you can't iron it, you can't bleach it, and it is best to dry flat and you reshape it while it's damp.
Yeah. So a little bit of care, but it's worth it. It's so soft. It's just...
Ooh. It's one of those yarns that once you've picked it up, you'll be doing this and you won't want to put it back down.
Yeah, no, I know. We've been touchy-feely with the yarn.
Yeah, we've been messing with this. So this first one is a lovely dark grey and we've called it Rum Raisin, or should I say marketing have called it Rum Raisin.
And we're all going to be hungry at the end of this.
Yeah, everything is a real luxury feel yarn, so it's been named after luxury type foods. So this one is Earl Grey, so that's obviously the paler version. They do go really well, and it is shown on some of the patterns where we've used more than one colour.
And there's no cups of tea here right now. We're talking about Earl Grey.
Yeah. Coconut is the nice white one, and again, it's just adorable.
Oh, it is.
This one we've got cookie dough.
What are you doing to me?
Yeah, some of them are slightly two-toned. So there's
that one does. It looks like it's a bit of flicks.
Yeah, bit of cream in it as well as the slightly darker brown.
My favourite. This is the one I like.
Salted caramel.
Oh, I think of ice cream.
Yeah.
No, sorry.
Chocolate with salted caramel.
Yeah.
And then we've got mocha.
Yeah.
So it's all lovely sort of luxury names.
And again, there's no coffee. It's terrible service here.
It is.
Sorry. That'll be nice.
We'll have to do that next time. Right. So we've got 6 colours. We've got 6 patterns.
And I'm going to talk about this one. This is 5516. And there's quite a few things actually with this pattern. As you can see, there's the lovely shawl, there's the poncho, and on the back, there's the vest as well. I personally like the vest because I like the idea of layering. And also, like, you can hide things that way. But I'll just show you this shawl because I've been touching this all the time. This is a very easy knit, so ideal for beginners. Yeah. And it's just sumptuous.
Really simple oblong.
Oh, yes, yes. And here's the poncho. It's quite big, so forgive me if I
it's tiny
block
picture
everything.
In the bottom corner, but it's actually quite long and drapes really nicely.
Yes.
You have got the big collar. Of course, if you don't really like big collars, you can knit it shorter. So that's purely your choice.
It's personal choice, but yeah.
It is on that one.
And the last
thing, where we've put truffle and DK because obviously the truffle isn't a standard of anything, but you do need some DK yarn to do the edges.
Yes.
And then, that's the waistcoat.
The waistcoat.
Which is a really easy one to wear. And there's a knitted belt to go with it.
Yes, I have the belt here, so yeah.
Or it is quite popular now to buy a belt and
like a big thick one to cinch it in to make you look thin, because some of us need a bit of extra help there. Yeah. Not saying
give
anyone
it a bit
here.
So, but all reasonably easy knits on that one. So most people would be okay with that.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Yeah, am I going next?
Yeah, sure.
Right.
This is the one we described as a teenage knit. Do you want to go grab the items and I'll
go with
hold it up?
So this is pattern 5514 and with this you can see we've done the two-tone. It's a lovely, easy, quite slouchy jumper.
Yeah, we were saying like you have a teenage daughter, she'd be in that, wouldn't she?
Yeah, this is just the sort of thing we'd have at home. And this one has got the split sides on.
Gorgeous in its colour.
So that's
back and forth.
Okay. So you can see it's quite a wide neck, and it is meant, just as a really comfy. You'd feel it's that teddy bear feel when
it is. We can't explain how soft it is. It really is. You just can't stop yourself touching it. It's really lovely.
This is the split side one.
I like that.
I'm just going to show you in the flesh how the split.
And a little bit longer at the back, is it?
A little bit, just fractionally.
Yeah, just really trendying in now, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, really, really easy to wear.
I like things like that because it doesn't ride up your behind.
No.
Well, it's true.
It's true.
Sorry. That's what happens to me anyway. Maybe not everybody else, Okay, this is 5513, and it's like definitely a more complicated knit because it's probably hard to see in the picture, but it is a cable with, is it the Aran or the DK?
This one's in the DK.
DK,
so it's a cable effect, but with the
You can see it better here. Yeah. So I have one to show you. And it's gorgeous. So I think this is definitely not for a beginner. This is for somebody with more advanced skills. Yeah. But it is lovely, and it complements both colours well.
Yeah. Little buttons. So again, you can make more features of the buttons.
Oh yeah, we have some lovely buttons for this.
Yeah. So that's that one, and there is the jumper, but it's not as easy to see in the dark.
No, it isn't. But it's gorgeous because both the colours complement each other really well.
So this one's our merino DK.
I can never get it to hold it up straight.
We've put with that one.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a real luxury knit, that one, isn't it?
I think quite timeless as well.
Yeah, very.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one I'm going to do is 5515. Now this is the truffle with the Aran. So that's with the slightly thicker
that's
version.
DK, sorry.
No, it's okay, I've got that to hand. And it would go fine with either of.
Yeah, it would.
So
I love the buttons on this one. I haven't seen those ones before.
No, these buttons are part of our new button range, actually. This one here, so they can be got from quite a lot of our stockists now. But you've the lovely drapey cardigan, and then a nice tight, neat sleeve.
Yeah, it's the rib sleeves.
The ribbing's done. So it's a 2x2 rib on the sleeves, and it just gives that extra little bit of tension to give a little bit more structure to the garment. But yeah, the buttons, fabulous.
They are.
New favourites.
Easy knits as well.
Yes.
And larger sizes, so something for everyone there.
Now, this is a really simple jumper, and I think one of my favourites in this, because again, it's a simple... I think it's stocking stitch. It's a bit tricky to tell on these, but I'm fairly sure
it is.
That is
I think the sleeves are ribbed though, if you look really carefully.
Yeah, that's the...
If we zoom in, well, you can see they are.
So again, it gives a bit more texture to the sleeves.
Sorry.
Cameraman's not with us on that.
I know.
There we go.
He's not going to speak to me for the rest of the day now, but
So that is really lovely. I particularly like that style. I think it's going to be so easy to wear.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, what's on
So we're getting a bit mixed up here. Okay, this one's actually a very easy knit. It's just a lovely throw and some cushions as well with different shapes. I think there's one that is a little more complicated that has like the cable, and that's in the merino, isn't it?
Yeah, merino DK on that one.
And it's gorgeous. I have it here. This one might have to disappear at my house because I have a black settee. Right?
Keeping an eye on that one.
Yes, but it's gorgeous. It's so soft. And look at the back with it. How does that complement?
It's a really simple moss stitch on the back, and then again, more buttons from the new range.
And just a 1x1 rib for the buttonholes and things.
So really,
really...
That's an easy one, really. Just
and here's this one. We don't have a cushion for it, but you get the idea. It's a nice rectangular one.
It is nice and simple, and there's a nice set of buttons again on the rear. You can make them as fancy as you want, or as simple.
Yeah, because I think buttons accessorise things quite nicely.
They do.
Yes,
they do. So,
it's something I tend to buy on holiday. I collect buttons. I'm strange.
Well, there's a few of us do that.
Yeah. Well, you always think of future garments, don't you?
You do. So the last one is all accessories. So again, it's truffle with DK. We've got a little neck wrap. We've got 2 different hats and 2 different cowls. So
okay, I'll take that for you. Yeah.
So this is the cowl with the DK incorporated top and bottom. Just gives it a little bit of extra detailing. Really
soft.
Lovely.
Won't irritate your skin.
No, we're thinking Christmas gifts on this one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, almost on the head.
you won't be able to hear me now. Covered the microphone. But, okay, that's that one.
It's gorgeous, that.
And it really is as snuggly as it looks. Matching hat. Don't do hats, but
No, but I
really
do
nice,
hats.
Really nice hat. And this, which I love, because this again has just sort of a ribbon effect running through it. Very, very subtle.
Yes.
You can see that with the camera, but there's this very subtle ribbon running through that one. So I just love the extra texture. I'd probably be tempted to make it slightly longer, because I
would
like more
too,
of a
because I
wrap.
like to wrap things around a few times. But you could do that.
Yeah, you can
just
do
make
either.
adjustments and get extra yarn.
Yeah, so with this one you can keep it shorter, tuck it under your coat, or make a longer one for a more of a wraparound.
Yeah, I do that. Everyone has their own personal taste to this, though.
Yeah, and what you like to wear and know works for you.
Yeah.
So, I think that's it. On
that
one.
is it.
That's the patterns for now. I'm sure there'll be more coming out and more shades and things in this. Cause,
I hope so, but I do like what we have so far.
yeah, we love it. We love the sort of very tasteful colour palette.
Yes, it
This
is.
one
Yes.
To start with. So
Very
yeah.
grown up.
Yes, very grown up. But yeah, if you like this, then obviously take a look on the social media side.
Like us on Facebook.
Yeah, and you'll get all
Show
the
us your photographs on
notifications come
Instagram,
through. Yeah,
etc.
You can zoom in then as well.
Yes.
It'll all be shown on the website. There'll be everything there for you. So yeah, please take a look and let us know what you think.
Okay, and thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you later then. Bye.
Bye.